Kababayan Today, gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa ating guests ngayon, ang Tactile Studios, and also to let you know na napaka-importante po na tayong mga kababayan have the right information, lalo na pagdating sa pagbibili ng bahay. Alam naman natin, isang pangarap yan na all of us dream to one day own a home. So kaya naman nakakatuwa na meron tayong kaibigan na si McLeod who can give us that advice. Importante po na alam natin lahat ng pasikot-sikot pagdating sa retail. Kaya naman here on Kababayan Today, we want to be able to help our kababayans with all the information they need to make the wisest decision when it comes to purchasing a house. Kaya naman kasama natin muli si McLeod for our real estate segment.
This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell, it's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Thanks, G, and magandang hapon po, mga kaibigan natin. It's always great to be here on this week's segment of the Real Estate Buzz. Again, we are your community resource, been serving the community for over the past 10 years, and we're here to educate and empower you when it comes to the real estate and mortgage realm. So with that, let's get into our tips for this week. Tip number 1 is going to be applying for a mortgage loan. How does that work and what documentation do you need? Well, one, you're going to need to complete a full loan application. You're going to have to sign a borrower's authorization, which gives the loan officer authorization to pull credit. You want to submit your 2 most recent pay stubs, your last 2 years W-2, your last 2 years taxes, and your proof of down payment, wherever that will be coming from. Then once the loan officer has that complete documentation, they will use whatever loan software they have at the office, and they'll input all that information and pre-approve you based off of that. Now, one thing you do want to know is that these pre-approvals are based off of your debt-to-income ratio. And a lot of people wonder, what debt are they taking into consideration? Debt is your revolving credit. So it's not your cell phone bill, it's not your medical bill. This is your revolving debt, so a car payment or a credit card. And they don't take the balance on these loans, they take the minimum payment when they calculate your debt versus your income. And this loan software, once all that information is inputted, will generate that debt-to-income ratio, and depending on which loan program you're applying for, you will have to stay within a certain percentage. Okay, so let's go on to tip number 2, VA loans. Oh my gosh, VA loans are one of my favorite loan products out there. One, you know, I respect and love our veterans and all the military service for what they do. I think this is a phenomenal program. Let's talk about, you know, the traits of this program. Well, one, 0% down payment. So you don't have to come in with any money for down payment. There is no mortgage insurance on it, which is phenomenal. I mean, FHA and certain conventional loan programs have mortgage insurance. VA loans do not. Along with that, there is great interest rates on these programs. They have low interest rates and they do not have a prepayment penalty. And did you know you can use your VA loan more than once? Some veterans think once you use it, you can't use it again. That is not true. So if you are a veteran, in addition to not only using that for a purchase, if you want to use it for refinance purposes, it's the only loan that allows you to refinance and borrow up to 100% of the value of your property, which is fantastic. And another tip that I love about the VA loans is that if you are a surviving partner of a veteran that passed away, but you never remarried, you are still eligible to take advantage of these VA loan products. Okay, and it wouldn't be a Real Estate Buzz program without talking about properties that we've sold. So I want to highlight this one property in Eastvale that we recently sold for $415,000. It's about 1,549 square feet, totally upgraded in the beautiful community of Eastvale. So if you're looking for properties like this, please give us a call. Or if you just want to know what type of loan programs are out there and available to you, or if you have a short sale or foreclosure in the past and you want to see, you know, how long you have to wait to buy again, you may find out that you might be eligible now. So please give us a call. Or let's say you just want a free market analysis on the value of your property. You want to know how much it's worth. Please give us a call. Everything at our office is confidential. Again, thank you so much for your support, and please follow us on our Facebook fan page at McLeod and the McLeod team. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po mga kababayan for tuning in today and watching our show at salamat po sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng Kababayan Today. Ako po si G. Tonji. Maraming salamat po.